What gender is that?
Some gender used to say, me, favor. I bless you, no, my name, favor. Me, go my house, wash clothes. Baby girl, you na netek now. You na netek. No, now what is the visa acrylic? No, now what is the visa? You talk like that. You na netek. If you know na, you na my vendor. Suppose no. My nail no they pass 2 weeks. I will change and put another one. I mean, they put talk of for hand. My nail, my beauty. My nail is my part of my beauty. My nails. You see this my nails? It's part of my beauty. Me use this nail. Can use that wash clothes for man. Within that man they give me a panel. Within him they give me a panel. Don't be love. I ain't go just press me small money. I go use because of him press me that small money. Use that. You better spoil my beauty. Baby girl, you fuck my hand. Where to? This one you talk about this. You should say no they do You should say no they do Baby girl, if you do you you they sell yourself cheap. Classic babe. Wash clothes. I beg you. It's okay. Don't blame me. It's okay.